assignments, doubts, exams. We have got you back. EduPlanner make every chapter easy to understand. Stay tuned, learn more, grow with us.
All right, guys. So what we're looking at today is kind of the question of how do we actually get salt kind of on a commercial scale? Now, for us, when you hear the word salt, we're probably thinking about sodium chloride, NaCl, which is what you have in a lot of your food, when you cook, in the kitchen, kind of all that good stuff. Now, in your chemistry class, you probably talked about making sodium chloride or salt, from a reaction. But on the commercial scale, they do it a little differently. So we'll talk about kind of two different ways. And the first way is by actually evaporating the water off of seawater. So seawater obviously has salt. So let's pretend we've got kind of a little body of water here. So we've got our water, and of course, when it's seawater, the salt is just kind of dissolved all throughout that water. But what happens is they leave the seawater kind of out in these big basins, and through the sun and also the wind kind of blowing across, it will evaporate off that water until the salt kind of becomes saturated and precipitates out at the bottom. The salt can then crystallize, and the workers can go ahead and harvest it, put it in brine and get it ready to actually go out to us where we can use it in our kitchens. The other form that they typically use to get salt from is by mining. So, where they go into kind of a rock quarry where they have halite, and that's typically how you get larger crystals, which are used for like rock salt. You may have seen that. You may